Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. And in today's video, we are looking at a career reading for you guys. In today's video, what we are going to look at is what is coming next for you. But along with that, we will be looking at certain blocks that you may have, and what is it that you can do to sort of overcome those blocks so that you can move ahead in a more rapid manner and really achieve that success you've always wanted to achieve. So as usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please make sure you take your time when it comes to selecting your pile. Trust your intuition. Your intuition is the best guide. So I'm going to give you some time and you can make your choice, and we shall start with the very first one, pile 1. Hello, and if you have chosen pile 1, these are your messages with regards to your career. So what we're going to do is we are going to take your tarot cards first, and later we are going to go towards your oracle. So what I see some sort of a conflict here. Possibly you are struggling internally, or this may be a struggle with either a co-worker or your ideas are not matching. But especially if you're working in a group situation, it is important to sort of take a review of everybody's opinion involved, okay? Also, you need to get some excess information from people as to what they think and how things should happen, okay? There should be an air of cooperation here. So don't try to right now at this point of time go against a lot of people, because that will not be a very wise choice for you. Alright, what I'm getting here is you may also be having some negative thoughts attached to your career, or maybe fear-based thoughts, like you are constantly in this fear that you may not be able to achieve certain things, or if you have a money-oriented target, you might not be able to reach it. But what is especially important for you is don't get trapped into this situation, because this has become sort of a mental trap for you. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to change the way you look at your career. You need to change the way you look at your situations, and also put in a lot more effort towards doing things in a conflict-free manner, but also in a loving manner. Okay, because love is the most powerful emotion. You also have to do what you love, is the message that I have for you. Because for your pile especially, if you get into careers where you're doing something you really enjoy, working in a company where the atmosphere is really cooperative, where people are really good, I think you will sort of thrive in those situations. But either way, your fear-based patterns or your negative patterns are really affecting your career, is what I'm seeing. See, things happen in their own time. You cannot force them to happen beforehand, and you cannot force people to behave in a manner that suits you. You have to get people together, work together, and sort of, work towards having a solution. Okay, especially for people who work with other people. Now, there is also some choice coming in for you. Okay, when it comes to making a choice, especially when it comes to new beginnings, when it comes to starting a new career, starting a new job, it is important for you to put in a lot of research before sort of making a decision. Also, what I get is for some people, you are putting off the choice for another day. There is a lot of procrastination happening here. So maybe the struggle that I spoke about could be internal struggle as well. Okay, so you need to sort of take a step back and re-examine your beliefs and the way you're approaching certain things when it comes to your job, when it comes to your business, when it comes to your career. Okay, do some thinking. There is also some research that needs to be done, extra information that needs to come in for you to sort of make that next level of progress. Okay, so those are the things that are holding you back. Like I mentioned here, that you have a decision to make. So this decision can also be about doing things in a new manner, or this could be about a new opportunity that is presenting itself, because you have the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is about doing something new or doing something in a different manner. But also this is a very good time for advancement in your career. So for a lot of people, promotion is something that could be coming in. An exciting new opportunity may come in, an opportunity that may change your life. Okay, so again, before making that decision, make sure you're making an informed decision. Okay, don't just jump into something because that just seems to be the next best thing to do. All right, so really put in that thought, because I just feel like you are entering a new phase of your career. Like even you are going to be feeling so much better towards something. Also, what I get is here, because I said you have some negative based thoughts, you could now be doing things that bring you joy. So I do see a lot of startups coming up, a new business opportunity coming up, or you sort of starting a side hustle which will sort of make you really happy. Okay, that is something that is coming up, but I see a change coming into your life. Like you will move out of this negative zone, but it is going to take conscious effort on your part. Okay, but exciting times coming up for you in terms of your career. Just change the way you think is what I get. Okay, lot of people could be getting promotions now, lot of people could be getting new job opportunities now, or you could actually be starting a new job. For some people, this new job could actually be in a new location. All right, and what is happening is you also have the 10 of cups. Now the 10 of cups speaks about not only material fulfillment, like not only is this career going to be good for you or this choice going to be good for you in terms of money, but it is also going to bring you emotional satisfaction. So a lot of good things coming ahead. Also, what I see is you are now, because you're of course changing your thoughts, you are going to sort of either shift your environment or move into an environment where people are more cooperative towards one another. Or because you've sort of reached a new understanding, the relationship that you share with your co-workers can now be improving. But a lot of changes coming for you, and happy changes at that. Changes that are going to like fulfill you and bring you a lot of happiness, not only emotionally but also materially. So money wise also, you good things can be coming in, like a promotion can be coming in, especially with the Ace of Wands. That is very, very likely now. So especially for people who've been really frustrated when it comes to your career, or if you feel like things have just come to a standstill, things are going to be changing. But what needs to change first is the way you look at the situation. All right. Also, creative careers is something that I'm seeing. Okay. So if you're passionate about something and if you're wondering that is this something that you can do, this is definitely something you can do. Or you need to look at creative approaches to doing what you love. Or in your current job, do things a little bit more creatively. Give things a little bit of your touch is what I see. All right, you have to let go of limiting beliefs, the very first thing. Strength. Okay, really good. You are sort of coming very strongly into your element. Okay, you could also be a fire sign, or you are now going to feel very fired up about your career. Like you feel, okay, now is the time when I can really do things, or maybe you're getting to do things that you really enjoy. But this next phase, whichever is coming up, it is going to be a lot more fulfilling in terms of your life. Like I said, you need some extra information for a couple of people in terms of advancement when it comes to your career. You could actually pursue a course like an MBA or an extra qualification that will sort of, give you that promotion, take you to that next level. Or you need to sort of, put little bit of effort towards learning a bit more, towards refining your skills is what I'm getting. Okay, but certain amount of research, certain amount of learning is going to really, really help you in terms of your career. Especially what I'm getting for a couple of people is now you could possibly want to take a break from your full-time job or from your job that you're currently working at. Like really put some effort towards a course, like learning something, skill development, and then sort of take up a new job or start your own venture for that matter. So this is also you doing research for your own future venture is what I'm getting. Let's see what the next one is. A time for healing. So yes, whatever struggles that you've been facing when it comes to your career, they are sort of getting better. Okay, so whatever limiting was coming in will sort of fade away, but it will also need a lot of inner strength on your part. Okay, a lot of work needs to be put in from your end to sort of let go of the past energy and move forward towards a better future. All right, now let us see what is next. there is always enough. So you should really let go of that scarcity mindset. And like I said, for a couple of people, this could also be a new opportunity that brings money, or a new opportunity that brings a promotion. So that is also a possibility. But money wise, things are looking good for you in terms of your career. And we shall just see, like, what advice do you have in terms of your career? Letting go. Letting go of certain things. Alright, so maybe this is letting go of past energies, or this could also be letting go of past conflicts. Like if you've been having some sort of a clash with a team member, that could also, like, you should learn to put it in the past, but this could actually be you leaving one company and moving towards another. Like you leaving one job and moving towards another, and maybe that will sort of improve your situation and that healing might come in. But otherwise, your career-wise things look good, okay? Shift your mindset for also shift a job and things will change. But financially as well, I see good times coming for you. There is a big choice that is coming, so make sure you make that choice wisely. And that choice will sort of change everything for you, is what I get. Alright, so I'll sort of leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, and if you have chosen pile 2, these are your messages regarding your career. So what we're going to do is, we are going to take your tarot cards first, and then we shall look at your oracle cards. So we'll just put them all together. Okay. So the very first thing that I see with regards to your career is, you have to start looking at things from a different perspective. Okay, or for some people this may appear in the form that things are at a standstill for you. You feel like you are not making the kind of progress you should be making, or you're not making progress as rapidly as you should. But what is important is, you need to shift the way you look at things. Okay, see, if you put a seed in the ground, it's not going to become a tree in one day. Okay, it takes its own time. All right, when it comes to your career, it is important to sort of be yourself, because what I get is, you may be trying to please somebody else. Of course, this is in certain cases, or you are trying to change yourself to sort of fit into an environment. But it is actually important for you to stand out, because you are somebody who's not made to fit in. Okay, that is something you really need to remember. Change the way you look at things is very, very crucial for you. Also, the next thing for you is, you have to be a little bit assertive when it comes to your career. Firstly, you need to know what you want, and there is a need for a little bit of structure, a little bit of discipline when it comes to your approach to things. Okay, there has to be organization, and you need to look at things from a far more logical perspective than what you're currently looking at, because your card is the Emperor. Okay, so if you're procrastinating, or if you're putting things to another day, that approach for you is not going to work. So those are the kind of blockages that you have with regards to your career. But otherwise, what I see is, you are a very powerful person. Like if you want to make things happen for yourself, you can make this happen. Okay, also what I see is, you are about to enter into a phase of contentment. Like I also see a lot of abundance coming in for you when it comes to your career. This could also be like the successful completion of project, or if you have been sort of working towards achieving something, I think that could be close, like the completion could be close. All right, also what is important is, you need to also start making some long-term plans. Okay, don't look at things as if, okay, this is how I want things to happen tomorrow, or this is how I want the next year to be, or this is how I'm going to sort of shape my career in the upcoming months. You also need to ensure that you have a plan for the long term. Like where do you actually see yourself in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years? Okay, so right now, sort of make plans for long-term success is what I see. Also, don't take up opportunities that may look good for the short term, but in the long term may not help you that much. But either way, in terms of your life, in terms of your career, you are entering a phase of abundance. You are entering a phase where things look good. Okay, it also seems like, a lot of your hard work is about to pay off. Like one project is nearing its completion and you are going to now be receiving a lot of rewards is what I get. Also, for a couple of you, what I see is because you have the Two of Cups, and Two of Cups is a time where conflicts are resolved, where people work together in a good way. But this could also be you working with another person in like a partnership business, or you could have one other person on your team who could possibly come in and assist you. But that is something that I see. But either way, you are sort of entering a phase where you will sort of have a lot of happiness, a lot of abundance, a lot of peace. That is what is coming in. For a couple of you could also be working on a home based business in the future, okay? Like starting an enterprise where you can operate things from home. Like if you are somebody who started enjoying working at home during this lockdown period, you could be looking at making that a potential future as well. Probably starting a different project on the sideline that you could operate at home, or deciding that okay, in the near future, like working from home is something that you want to do as well. Alright, but either way, my suggestion is make long term plans. Like, don't look at your career as only something that will pay off for the next month or for the 1 year. Make sure you're making future plans as well, because right now, planning is a very crucial aspect for you. Also, what I'm getting, because you have writing here, you could also be entering new contracts, entering new agreements, especially with the Two of Cups and the partnership angle. You could be entering into a contract with another individual, so make sure you're paying attention to the fine print then, as always. But also what I get is a lot of you could be like in the near future teaching what you know. So you could act as a mentor to another person, or probably you have reached a point in your career where you sort of are in that leadership position and you could be sort of mentoring younger people, or you would have the sort of duty of teaching the people who come into your company. Okay, like a trainer is what I'm getting here. Also, for a couple of people, writing a book is also very much possibility. If that is something that really calls to you, now is a good time to start working on those projects. But again, teaching is like a very, very important thing that is coming in towards, you guys in terms of your career. Starting a blog where you teach what you actually practice, so that is also coming in. Okay, let us see what is next. Energy is gaining momentum. Yes, I can definitely tell you this, that because you're heading into this completion of a project, completion of something, and it is bringing you a lot of abundance, lot of contentment, lot of peace. Yes, energy is definitely gaining momentum. Like you are heading towards a better time in your career, but also if this is like wanting to achieve something, like get a job, you could be very close to it, is what I have. Woman holding a coin. This could be a woman who is willing to sort of invest in your business. This could be a mentor, or this could just be you, getting that abundance, getting in that extra bit of money towards your career. But otherwise, your career is going to sort of, as you move forward, you are going to get a lot of abundance. So a chance of promotion, maybe your salary increasing, or possibly you were meant to receive a particular sum of money and you did not then, and that is coming in now. All right, for if you are a man, for example, this could be a person you could enter a partnership with, because that partnership is again very much possible. Or this could be a lady who could invest in your career, a mentor at that, who could sort of teach you how to do things better. Okay, and the last one is things speeding up. Yes, like things are really sort of, you are entering a phase in your life where your career will start looking good. But what is important is you need to have firm control over it. You have to make logical decisions now. You cannot base your decisions on your emotions, or you cannot manage to like procrastinate now, because procrastination is going to put you off your track. You need to work in a disciplined manner. You need to work in a structured manner. And the most important thing for you is make plans. Okay. Either way, career-wise, I don't see any problem for you. You are entering a period of peace, happiness, and contentment. I am super, super happy for you guys. Okay, it really, really looks good. It really looks promising. Just shift your perspective, shift the way you look at things. All right, and I shall leave you with that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Hello, and if you have chosen pile 3, these are your messages with regards to your career. So, what we're going to do is we are going to take a look at your tarot cards first, and then we shall move on to your oracle. Okay. Okay. So for you guys, I just feel like you may be undergoing a lot of pressure with regards to your career. Possibly you may feel like you're overburdened, there is too much for you to do, like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulder. You could also be having a little bit of stress related to work, or maybe health concerns that are sort of, are not allowing you to work as much as you like, or because your health is affecting your career, you feel like you cannot give it your all. But either way, there are some stresses when it regards to your career. But what I feel is you don't really have to carry all that burden on your own. You have help in your life. For you, it is important to ask for that help. Okay, don't try and do this all on your own, because that's not possible. If you try to do everything at the same time, or if you try to do everything together, everything on your own self, you are just going to be exhausted. Your stress is going to increase, so it is important not to stress about things. Learn to let go. Like, you don't have to do everything at the same time. So get help, okay? Also, what I get is you are just a person, you are very creatively inclined. You are a person who really is very artistic, who's very enthusiastic, who's very sensitive. So maybe because of your sensitive nature as well, stress affects you quickly, or you get affected by things way quicker than somebody else, is what I get. All right, but again, artistic careers, if that is something that really speaks to you, I really think that is something you should get into. Again, in the position of like the overall spread, what I'm getting is you have planted the seeds. Like, you have done everything that you can do towards your career, and you're already putting in a lot of effort. So you may feel like you're not doing enough, and there is just excessive worry here, So the first thing you need to do is stop worrying. You may not be getting the results that you want immediately, but they will come when the time is right. You cannot put in the seed and expect that a tree is going to grow up overnight. So have some patience. You also need to have patience when it comes to your career, is what I'm getting. Also for you, again, you have the card of the teamwork. You have the 3 of Pentacles. Okay, so please delegate your work. You are trying to do a lot, I understand, but you need help, the help of another person. Okay, but also what I see is you really don't need to be so stressed when it comes to your career, because the rest of your cards look really good. This speaks about, recognition for your work, like the kind of work you're doing. It is very high quality work. Possibly you are very passionate about your career, like you really put in the hard work, and maybe that is the reason you're very impatient for that progress, but the progress is coming. The recognition that you deserve is coming. You have really put in hard work. Your foundations are really strong. Like, your knowledge base is also very strong. Okay, you are going to get that recognition, but just give it some time. Like, breathe. Literally, I just want to tell you guys to breathe. Okay, also you have the Empress. Again, the Empress is like a card of abundance. So you are finding that success, you are definitely finding that success. You also have that recognition. For you guys, I just feel like you do things with a lot of passion. You do things that, you really put your heart and soul into work. But it is also important for you guys to take care of your health, which was a message I kept getting. Your health is very important, because if you sort of put your health in that back burner, if you are working, taking too much stress towards your work, don't do that. Enjoy your work, because you have the Empress and the Page of Water. You are a sensitive person, probably more sensitive than others. Environment shapes you. Your work really speaks to you. So be a little bit careful about that. Okay, your work has to be your work. Don't let your work define you. Don't let your work aspect interfere with all the other areas of your life. Okay, the Empress is also a card about giving birth to your dreams. Like for a couple of you, this could also be you embarking on a dream project, especially something that is creative in nature, is also something that I get. Or for a couple of you, what I'm getting is you could have sown the seeds for something that you've always wanted to do, a creative project, a side hustle, either ways. But understand that this is going to take time. Like you are not going to get success overnight. Okay, you cannot expect to put in a seed and have a tree the very next day. It is going to take time, but you have the card, you have the Empress, you are going to find success in it. Don't try to do everything at the same time. Don't try to do everything together. Accept help and go at a little bit of slow pace. And I think that slow pace is what is sort of driving you really crazy. Either way, the recognition that you need with regards to your career is coming. Just have patience, okay? Be playful. Enjoy what you do. I know you guys really enjoy what you do, because of which you put in that extra passion, but take it easy. Take it easy is what I really want to tell you, okay? Also, make time for play. Make sure you're not so focused on your career that you're really ignoring everything else, especially your health. The next one is you have from the Moonology Oracle, you have adjustments are required. Again, you have to have that work and play balance. You cannot be all about work and ignore all the other areas of your life. So adjustments are definitely required. Also, what I get is, like I said, the very first card, don't take too much stress, please. Accept help from others. Don't try to do everything at once. You are gonna succeed. Just have patience. Okay? And minor adjustments from your end are definitely required. Stop warning. Like I said, you could be just taking a lot of stress. You could be feeling like, oh my god, I have a lot of burden. I have to try and do everything at the same time. Ask help. Ask help is something I'm going to tell you. And just slow down. Your rewards are coming. Your rewards are definitely coming. You also have the Empress. You have the Three of Pentacles, which also talks about, recognition for your work. But you also have infinitely abundance. You have abundance in your life already. So don't sort of take stress about it. Stress is not going to help you. You are very, very sensitive towards it as well. Okay? So take it easy. Also, what I'm getting for a couple of you is there could be a person who could actually assist you to do things. Also, for a couple of people, this could also be like business with your romantic partner in the future. Okay, so this could be a home-based business because you have the Empress again. The Empress is the ruler of all home-based energies. Again, female-based businesses is again something that I would like to suggest. But you are trying to birth your dreams, possibly you need that money to sort of accomplish something is also a indication that I'm getting, but it's coming. Just give it some time. And don't sort of, be so much in the mind of earning money that you sort of disregard your health and disregard the other areas of your life. Okay, adjustments are really required. So change the pattern of working. Try and do things a little bit more creatively is also something that I'm getting. But make sure you're giving yourself enough time to enjoy the other things in life as well. Because our life is meant to be enjoyed as well. And not only, be devoted to our work. Success is coming. It is definitely coming. Monetary wise also, you are going to get that prosperity that you seek. But just have patience. Because the main card for you is Seven of Earth, Seven of Pentacles. You've planted your seeds well. Maybe you're not getting the results in the time that you want them to come up. But don't worry. It is coming. Yeah, it is coming. I will leave you with that and I shall see you in my next one. Bye-bye.